Beautiful souls. Hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm going to do a video on being in nature and planting my feet in nature. I know I've already done a video before about the importance of connecting with nature and the importance of taking off your shoes and basically putting them into the dirt, but I'm going to show you the processes that I use, what helps me to connect to Mother Nature and take the static energy out of my body that needs to be released back into the earth. It's the best place to put it, and obviously it's the best place for me to get my energy source from, as well as the sun, but let's not go into that right now. This is about Mother Nature. So yes, this is a video that I'd like to see continue to watch. Found a spot perfect for me to put my feet in. Now I've literally got a stick here and I'm going to just dig in so I can literally get my feet into the actual dirt itself and then cover them. I'm right next to a nice little lake of water as well, which is absolutely perfect. So yes, keep watching and I'll show you what's next. So as you can see, dug myself a little hole right here. I've already put 2 quarters in, one with quartz and tourmaline, and one just with quartz by itself. Let's get these off then. Let's get these off and get my tellers in. Yes, it's not the warmest, but you know what? I know that the benefits are going to be a whole lot better than the feel. So, I've got some other crystals that I've got in some water. I've got some citrine in, I've got some tourmaline in, and I've got some carnelian. Carnelian will help revitalize me, it will help with my creativity and also my reproductive system. and my creative energy. The get words out. The citrine will help with my solar plexus, give me some power, some self-esteem, and my digestive system as well, so any issues with my stomach. And the tourmaline, that will help to balance me, up to ground me as well, and it's a very good protective stone. So I'm going to put some of this water in there. And then I'm going to cover it with the dirt that I've taken out. This is all the dirt that I took out just now. Piling it all back in. Give it a pat down, make it nice and firm. I also have here a smoky quartz. I'm going to put that right on top with another quartz. And guess what? It's just started to rain. I'm going to still do it out though, because it's even better for me. I'll just program this rain that's coming down right now with some affirmations. While I'm sitting here, what I usually do is go into meditation and literally just clear myself from any negative influences that I've had, any negative vibrations I have sitting within my being. I literally let it release back into the ground. For all you guys here that are dealing with static and your content is shocking people, when this is happening to you, you need to literally come into nature and ground yourself. If you don't want to be putting your feet all the way into the dirt, you can always just walk on top, but as long as you ain't got no shoes on, no socks on, connect with the actual earth to let go of all that static energy. Static energy builds up from certain things that we're going through throughout our day, certain stresses that we have. You may have loads of children to deal with and a job to deal with that you can't stand. All of these types of things basically will build up a whole lot of static within the body itself, and putting your feet in nature will let go of that static energy and also connect you to the earth's resonance. When it connects you to the earth's resonance, it literally shows you the way to go. Like I said in my previous video, it's like a GPS. You literally get connected to your own natural GPS inside of you, knowing where to go, what to do, because you're silencing your inner thoughts. None of those inner thoughts actually exist at this moment in time. They're being released into the earth, and it's taking it and basically transmuting all of that energy that you're giving to her, and she's transmuting it and she'll use it for other things. So yes, that's what I'm going to say on this side of the this video. I'm going to keep having a little meditation here. While I'm meditating, I will be saying affirmations. If you guys don't already know, I do affirmations daily on my Instagram page, on my stories. Some of the daily affirmations I will say is: I am love, I am peace, I am greatness, I am light that shines in any given situation. Today, I'm definitely going to add onto that one today, right here, is I release myself of any words, feelings, emotions, thoughts, people, places and things that no longer serve me. Yeah, I release myself of every single thing, place, person, feeling and vibration that is within my being or around me that no longer serves me, in order for me to uplift and vibrate myself higher and higher and higher. The frequency that I am looking to be on, I need to let go of the things that no longer vibrate on that. This is why I say these things. I am amazing. I am beautiful. I am grounded. And I am connected to Mother Nature in all ways. She takes the energy I no longer need and transmutes it into the energy that she needs. I am meditation. While you're here with your feet in the ground, focus on your breath. After you've finished your affirmations, focus on your breath. Fill your stomach before you fill your ribs cage and your lungs, sorry. Fill your stomach first. For people that sing, it's always going to be easy for you because you sing from your diaphragm. But literally fill the stomach first, just like a baby does. A baby will show you how to breathe. Fill your stomach first, and then fill your lungs, and then let it flow in through your nose and out through your mouth. This is a cleansing breath, so it will literally be cleansing you of all them toxins and information that you have inside of self that you want to let go of. This would be the perfect place to do that. Like I said, fill your stomach first. It may feel like, oh, I can't breathe anymore, but just take that one last breath in order to fill your lungs. After filling your stomach, you will feel the difference within the breaths that you have. But focus on your breath. After focusing on your breath, imagine your energy from the top of your head, like it's literally draining from the top of your head. Any negative influences from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. Feel it flowing through your veins, flowing through your blood, flowing through your lymphatic nervous system, flowing through your skin, all the way down to your feet, and then entering the earth and being transformed once it reaches them. Imagine this about 9 times over yourself, so you can start yourself a new cycle. Keep flowing, flowing, flowing. Once you've done that, imagine the roots. There's loads of roots right here. Imagine all these roots literally attaching themselves to your bottom, the soles of your feet. Feel those roots flow through your body and flow through your actual whole of your skin. Feel it flow through your veins. Feel it flow all the way through you. So it connects you with nature and connects you in a way that you cannot be disconnected. Feel it as it flows through. Woo. Your feet are going to feel extra soft because there's so much nutrients in the earth that are literally putting themselves on your feet, and you're soaking in all of that. I'm just going to give my feet a little rinse. Obviously I can wash them properly when I get home. Just going to give them a rinse off with the crystal water. It's just started raining again. At the beginning and at the end. Also going to add some rose water. This I have on my website as well. The sale. Just going to spray a little bit on so I can get some more softness in there. Obviously it's extra soft already, but won't harm me to put some rose water on there as well. And I give it a proper rinse and then put my feet back in my shoes. Yes, I feel good, good, good. I feel good, just want to feel good. Yes, feel amazing, feel refreshed. Let go of all that static energy. Bye bye. Thank you very much, Mother Nature. Yes, I hope this video, ducking and diving trees and stuff, but I hope this video brings you the information that you need. If you want or need me to elaborate on any of the stuff I've hit upon, please do comment, like and subscribe, share. Yeah, share. Could be someone else that needs it. One of your friends, one of your family members, whoever that may be. This is all to help you, okay? Have an amazing, stupendous evening, morning, afternoon, wherever it is you are in the world. Have an amazing day. Sending you nothing but love. You know how it goes. Catch the love. Sorry, I got something in my hand. Let me go again. Catch the love, baby. Catch the love.